Record it, okay? It's recording.
Or anybody.
Yeah.
You're recording me. Hold on. Okay. Scoot over. I'm gonna get wet. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, ready? Are you ready?
There's water on the roof.
Hold on.
I'm ready.
Ready? Set.
Let's go. Let's go. Is there any more up there? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Do you want me to do that one too?
Yeah, do that one too.
Oh, snap. Oh, man, please. I'm begging you, no. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I really don't want to do this.
I don't care.
Oh, it's so cold.
Does that patch come off?
Oh, it's wet. Oh, it's so cold. There's still more in that, isn't there? Oh, God. Oh. You are recording this, right? Oh, okay.
No, not really.
Oh, there is? Okay. Right here. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Are the other synchronous? It's back here. Okay, you can quit recording now. I'm cold enough. Oh.
What's your number? 271?
The t-shirts, the blue ones are 10, and the red ones are 5.
His number's 271.
Oh, so wet.
Cannot get things wet with these other people. Stuff.
You're on video recording.
It's wet and I am not enjoying this.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Now tell me about the shuttle back to
That's
I'm
funny.
not sure about the shuttle.
What's that?
I
There was one that was going to the swimming pool, but she's gone.
I don't know about these things. Did you park down there? You're supposed to park down here because your shuttle is going from what? You could probably catch one somewhere over there right now. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go look. All by yourself about 25.
It was funnier the first time.
Oh, but it's so cold.
Wait, go over there. There's some water right there. Yes.
Now there's not.
There was
There's no more
some.
water packs. Okay, you can quit recording now. I'm so.
There's a patch.
I'm soaked and I want to watch it.
And how do I stop recording?
You stop it recording like this.